Hey, Soft Pastel Techniques will help you with your art projects with pastels. Open up your soft pastel box. Mine are pretty well used and dusty, but beautiful colors anyway. The first technique is the side stroke. Lay the pastel to its side and just rub it over the paper. You can then take your finger and blend them together and into the paper to make new effects. You can use your pastel to draw, but it'll never make a real sharp line like a pencil. Another technique are small dots or pointillism. You can also make short lines. You can use one color and then make dots of another color or short lines of another color on top of it. A third color could even be used. This is great for things like sand or grass on your drawing. If you lay your pastel flat and twist and roll it, it makes a different effect. Cross-hatching is another technique with long lines of color going one direction, then you take another color and use long lines in another direction. Even a third color can be placed over that and it will blend for a new look. Use a paper towel to wipe your hands off. You can use these techniques to make a soft pastel apple drawing. Find the video on Welcome to Nana's. Soft Pastel Techniques will help you in your drawing. Come for more ideas at welcometananas.com.